Want to cancel your Tesla full self-driving subscription? This video guides you through the process using the Tesla app. As of December 2025, unsubscribing is straightforward and can be done anytime. We'll show you exactly where to go and what to expect. First, open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Make sure you're using version 4.20 or later. Navigate to Account, then tap Tesla Software, and finally select Manage Subscription. This is where you'll find the full self-driving subscription details. Within the Manage Subscription section, you'll see the Unsubscribe option. Tap it to begin the cancellation process. You'll be presented with a confirmation screen and options for the effective date of cancellation, immediate or end of the current billing cycle. Choose your preferred option. Tesla provides prorated refunds for unused portions of your FSD subscription. If you cancel immediately, the refund amount is calculated based on the remaining days in your current billing cycle. Keep in mind that refunds typically appear on your next billing statement. The credited amount will be clearly shown in your Tesla account. Cancellations process in 1 to 3 billing cycles. This processing time allows the system to update and finalize the refund calculation. It's important to know that unsubscribing from full self-driving doesn't immediately delete your driving data. This data includes recordings from your trips and sensor information collected during FSD use. Tesla retains this driving data for 7 years under U.S. law as required for safety investigations and regulatory compliance. This means the data stays on Tesla's servers even after you cancel your subscription. If you want to request the deletion of your data, you can access this option through the Tesla app's privacy settings. Navigate to the Service or Settings menu in the app to find data management options. Additionally, be aware that your full self-driving data may be anonymized and used for Tesla's AI training purposes. This helps improve the system's performance, but you can opt out of this data sharing in the privacy settings if you prefer not to contribute. Before finalizing your FSD cancellation, consider that unsubscribing will remove access to advanced full self-driving features like autonomous highway navigation and urban street driving capabilities. Keep in mind that FSD subscriptions are specifically tied to your vehicle and cannot be transferred to another Tesla or shared with other owners. If you're currently in a free trial period, note that Tesla discontinued free FSD trials in 2024, so this cancellation guide applies to paid subscriptions only. Consider data retention policies. While unsubscribing removes your access, Tesla may retain driving data for up to 7 years for AI training unless you specifically request deletion through privacy settings. Remember that FSD is classified as beta software requiring driver supervision, and you must comply with local laws regarding its use in your area. Consider that you can always resubscribe later if Tesla releases significant updates or if your driving needs change, though subscription prices may vary. Real-world examples show why users choose to unsubscribe from Tesla's full self-driving service. In 2024, even Elon Musk unsubscribed from a test Model S, citing software glitches and concerns about over-reliance on subscriptions. This high-profile case highlighted ongoing reliability issues with the FSD software. Online communities like Reddit provide additional insights. One user reported unsubscribing after the v12.3.1 update caused erratic FSD behavior, including phantom braking incidents. They received a prorated refund within 48 hours of cancellation, demonstrating Tesla's responsive refund process. If you experience any issues during the unsubscription process or continue to face problems with FSD functionality, Tesla support is available to help resolve technical difficulties and ensure a smooth experience. After confirming your unsubscription choice and understanding the refund and data implications, proceed with the final prompts in the Tesla app to complete the cancellation. You'll then receive a confirmation message in the app that details your cancellation, including the effective date, any prorated refund information, and reminders about data retention policies. Take a moment to carefully review all the information in the confirmation message to ensure accuracy, such as the cancellation date, refund amount, and what features you'll lose access to. Once you've verified everything, the unsubscription process is complete. You may receive an email confirmation for your records, similar to a formal cancellation letter. This concludes your full self-driving subscription unsubscription process. Remember, you can always resubscribe in the future if needed.